Peace and light, family. I hope that you are well and happy and whole and all that good stuff. I am the Queen Po, and in this video, I am unboxing my Akose. Okay, so in traditional Isese or Ifa tradition, you get a divination. After your divination, you get, or you do an Ebo, and your Ebo is like your prescription. It's like essentially the things that need to be done in order to appease the energies in your favor. Okay, so that's like the simplest way that I can put it. Now, after your Ebo, there is an Akose, and the Akose are any tools that are used as a result or that come from your Ebo. Okay, so it could be a combination of herbs and different things that are made into a soap. It can be anything else that is needed in order to, seal the deal on your Ebo. Okay, so this is my Akose. I'm going to unbox it in front of you guys so that you can kind of see what it looks like. So this came directly from my Ebo, and everything was done in Nigeria. This came from directly from Nigeria. It was sent to EI, and EI sent it to me, okay, because it's just easier to do full package shipping and all that stuff. So I'm going to unbox it so you guys can have an idea of what it looks like and everything, okay? Now, I completed my Ebo probably, I don't even remember the exact date. I want to say it was definitely before the new year though. So like maybe a little over a month ago, I completed it, and today is February 1st and I'm receiving the Akose. But keep in mind, again, this is coming directly from Nigeria and everything. So of course, they have to make the Akose. They have to, ship it, and it does take a while. So it's about a month after. Okay, so I'm unboxing it. You see me here. Okay. Now it's wrapped up like this, and in the box there's just a simple white container, and in this container is the Akose. So I am going to open it, okay, so you can kind of see. Okay, it's taped up good, huh? It's taped up good. Let's see. Okay. Look, you see Diddy got to be all in the mix. Back up, Diddy. This thing is taped. I got to figure out how I'm going to tape this. Okay, this thing is sealed. Let me see if I could get up in here with the scissors somehow. Let me go around the rim. Can I get a rim shot? Hey, Diddy. Rim shot. Hey, come on. Shout out to Badu. You a real Badu fan if you know that one. Can I get a rim shot? Hey, I think that's what she said. Rim shot. Hey, come on. It don't matter if I know the actual lyrics. Just know that I know the song. It was a stormy night. That's a new one. Not a new one, but a different song. The time when the lightning strikes, and I was hanging out with some of my artsy friends. Ooh, ooh, ooh. The night was young. Okay, so I think I got it. Okay, I'm going to open it so we can see what the smell is like. Back up, pumpkin. Okay, I don't want nothing to spill out. Okay. All right. Let's see, pumpkin. You don't know what this is. Okay, y'all, it's a very black paste. Here it goes. So this is the Akose. This is what it looks like, okay? This is what it looks like, and it's very soft. It's like a paste, so it's like black soap essentially. It's gonna be powerful. It's gonna be powerful. Come on, stop me. It's gonna be powerful. Yeah. I'm very grateful for it. Okay, I'm glad I finally got it. So there will be instructions on how to use it, when to use it, and all that will be given, now that I have finally received it. I will receive instructions on, you know, how to use it and when to use it and everything. And it could, usually you use it for a certain amount of days until it is completely gone. Okay, so that is the Akose. And again, it's very soft. It's like the texture of soft black. So, yeah. Yay.